welcome back to another recipe video. Today we are going to be making a high-protein vegan iced cappuccino. So here in Canada we have a coffee/fast food franchise called Tim Hortons, and they're all over the place. And at one point in my life I was super addicted to their iced cappuccinos, especially when I worked at the university and there were like 3 on campus that I knew about. And I was having these like probably 2 every single day of the week. It was really bad. And so of course I don't drink those anymore. I don't buy them because they have dairy and a ton of sugar, but I have figured out a way to make a healthy vegan version that I think is pretty good. And that's what I'm going to share with you today. Okay, so first we'll start off by adding a cup of plant milk of your choice. I'm using almond milk here. Pour that into a blender along with cocoa powder, vanilla extract, protein powder, again of your choice, and instant coffee powder. I like to use decaf because I usually drink this in the afternoon and decaf doesn't interfere with my sleep at night. Okay, so give this a good blend. My protein powder has stevia in it, but if your protein powder doesn't, then it definitely will need some sweetener of some kind. You could use maple syrup, agave nectar, stevia, whatever you like. And there we go. This is a nice refreshing drink. It's very satiating because of the protein powder, and it's not loaded with refined sugar like my beloved Tim Hortons iced cappuccinos. If you'd like more healthy vegan recipes, you can hop on over to our website and check out our vegan weight loss meal plans that are 50% off right now, our free starter guide, recipes, and articles. Thanks so much for tuning in today, guys. I hope you have a wonderful day ahead, and I'll see you soon. Bye!